15th August 1947. India was free, but the freedom comes with many challenges. Over 500 princely states divided, uncertain and fragile. The dream of one united India stood on shaky ground.
Drew from India in 1947, they left behind a fragmented subcontinent rather than a unified nation. Nearly 40% of the land comprised of princely states, semi-sovereign entities, neither part of British India nor directly ruled by the British Crown.
It is hard to imagine today, but in 1947, as India approached independence from the British, the country was divided into principalities and kingdoms. The story of how the princely states merged with India through the efforts of Sardar Patel and his deputy V.P. Menon is one of the most fascinating chapters in Indian history. Not many realize that at the beginning of the 20th century, there were actually two Indias, British India and Princely India.
It was not just political skill, it was his unwavering belief that India must remain one, fearless and unbreakable, emphasizes his leadership transformed fragments into a single sovereign nation.
Amidst this uncertainty, there rose a man of iron will, a leader whose vision and resolve would shape the destiny of a nation, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the architect of unity.
The monumental task of integrating over 550 princely states into the Union of India fell to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the nation's first Home Minister, and his secretary, V.P. Menon.
Patel's mission was monumental. With tact, courage and diplomacy, he persuaded, negotiated, and when needed, acted firmly to bring the princely states into the Indian Union, Hyderabad, Junagadh, and Kashmir. Each integration was a step towards the unity.
Today, when we speak of freedom, we also speak of unity. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel reminds us that independence was not just about breaking free. It was about standing together as one India.
Patel's legacy is cast in iron, not only in the towering statue of unity, but in the very foundation of our nation. He was the shield of India's integrity and the spirit behind its oneness.
One nation, one people, one India.